Welcome to Rome Tips. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful content. All the links mentioned in this overview are available in the description below. This video reflects my personal experiences with the subject matter. Today, we're taking a closer look at Truist Financial Corporation, accessible online at www.truist.com. Truist is a significant player in the financial services arena, born from the merger of BB&T and SunTrust. This union created a powerful financial institution with a wide range of services catering to both individual and corporate clients. Navigating their website, you'll find a wealth of information regarding their offerings, which span personal banking, wealth management, and commercial banking solutions. For personal banking customers, Truist provides everyday banking necessities such as checking and savings accounts, along with options for mortgages, loans, and credit cards. They also offer digital banking tools and resources designed for convenient account management and financial planning. If you're focused on growing your wealth, their wealth management division offers investment advice, portfolio management, and financial planning services tailored to meet individual financial goals. Businesses can benefit from Truist's comprehensive commercial banking services, including lending, treasury management, and merchant services. The website provides detailed information about these services, enabling prospective clients to explore solutions tailored to their specific industry and company size. Truist emphasizes its commitment to client service and offers various ways to connect with their team, whether through online chat, phone, or in person at one of their numerous branch locations. Exploring the Truist website further reveals valuable insights into their community involvement initiatives and their focus on responsible banking practices. They underscore their commitment to diversity, equity, and inclusion, highlighting their efforts to create a more inclusive financial system. Overall, truist.com serves as a comprehensive resource for individuals and businesses seeking financial solutions. The website is designed to be user-friendly, offering clear navigation and readily accessible information on their extensive range of products and services. Whether you're an existing customer or exploring your banking options, Truist's online presence provides a valuable platform to learn more about their offerings and their commitment to financial well-being.